Carlos here with the Dallas doll by E-Flite. This model's been discontinued for some time, and it instead of the Spectrum, I have a Fly Sky transmitter. It's pretty good. It takes a while to get used to it from the Spectrum stuff that I have, but it's pretty good. Very slim, very lightweight. It's got all the menu buttons in there. Like I said, it's a little different, and it gets a little time to get used to it, but it's not impossible. And the Dallas doll came with a busted, jammed up flap servo, and I just replaced it. And as you can see, I think switch number C to the right hand corner there, inner right hand corner, switch C. I'm going to somehow precariously balance the transmitter and show you this right here. Okay, flap down. Okay, it's working. The other thing I had to do is, let me show you here. Instead of putting my fat finger over there, oh God. Right here, in this channel right here, and in this channel right here, I used CRC 2-26 spray, and it looks like this wire's been becoming a little rusty. So I cleaned it up as much as I can, and I let that spray flow in there, so I won't be jamming another servo. It's a little tough to push down on the flap manually, so you could imagine the servo, but everything seems to be in order. That's how I like it right there. So it's doing good. So right now I'm going to do is put double-sided sticky tape, I think Gorilla double-sided tape underneath here, because the stock servo was all gooped up, as you can see here, and I'm not going to do that. I'm sorry. I'm going to use some refined methods to secure that servo in there in that channel. And by the way, this is a known brand or no-name brand servo that is identical measurements from the stock. Alrighty, there you have it. Functioning flap. Carlos out. Have a nice one.